Welcome back to another vlog. In today's episode, the EcoNauts are going to go over a couple of holiday sustainable tips. This goes from different gift ideas to decorations, and even some energy-saving habits that you might want to implement now at the holiday season. I have a lot of empty glass jars, and I wanted to repurpose those into a container to give a gift to my family for the holidays. So I decided to make a vegan mug cake mix inside of this reused glass jar, and take a look. Another great gift idea that you can make a reusable utensil case. It's going to be really easy to carry around your reusable utensils. They won't soil any other things that you might have in your backpack, and it's really fun to make. Give it a shot.
To get in the holiday spirit, I decided to do a little bit of decorating, so I'm going to show you how to make a paper snowflake. All you need is a pair of scissors and a form of paper. And I'm going to be using this old paper bag that I have, but you can use any form of scrap paper that you have lying around. Now that I have my paper unfolded, the first thing I need to do is cut a square. And now we have our square. So make sure you save the extra paper, and then we're going to fold our square in half. We're going to fold it in thirds, and then we're going to pick it up and fold it in half again. Now just use some scissors to cut out whatever shapes you want. The fun part is opening it and seeing what you made, and if you have more time, you can make fancier snowflakes like this one. Remember the extra paper we had? I'm going to fold it like an accordion and then cut it into small strips, and now we have homemade confetti.
One energy-saving tip you all can use this holiday season is to plug your electronic decorations and holiday lights into an energy-saving power strip. Plus, you can also set a timer for your holiday lights to avoid overused energy. Another useful tip to conserve your energy this holiday season is to unplug your mini fridge that you may have in your room to avoid ghost energy. Plus, this may grant you the opportunity to clean your mini fridge.